Look at that. Trim rings are in. Bada boom, bada bing. Done deal. Nice. So now, we got goodies. These are for the fog lights that aren't here yet. Yes, we have LED bulbs even for the fog lights, which we're gonna have to have a conversation on where you want to mount those exactly, but when they get here, we'll do that. They're about a week out. These little fellows are for the side markers. 1157. The two 1157s are the front turn signals. And then this one is the license plate light. Because it's a 1156.
Yeah.
All right. Commence light changey. All right, so I just real quickly wanted to do a before shot with the incandescent bulbs in the turn signals. We will do this shot again when there's an LED down there. All right. Got the bulb swapped on the driver's side. We're gonna put the lens back, but look at that.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, it's bright, yeah. Conventional. LED. Conventional. LED. Wow. Big change. All right. Front clearance lights. Everything LED. Looks good. All right.
Does it?
Yes, it does. Now I'm gonna go do the license plate light
Okay.
and the rear markers.
Do the license plate light.
Quiet you. So we got Xander taking the license plate light apart, and he goes, "Wow, that's glass." Yeah, that's what they did when cars weren't all plastic and garbage. That's legit real glass, frosted glass. It's too cool, huh?
Definitely
Xander
likes it.
It's different. All right, LED going in.
Well, it's better because I want, you know, with like plastic headlights.
Yeah, they'll fog up and get nasty. Yeah. At least the retro brights on here, they're glass. That's why they're expensive.
I'd rather have it that way.
Yep. Spend the money. Buy once, cry once. Bulbs coming out. Get your LED. Right here. It's the brightest license plate light ever. And I did get in touch with Alan. He does have a housing. He's gonna get it out here to us shipped. So, yay! He'll have that fixed as well. Xander's impressed with that glass piece.